Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here and we are back again for another tech vlog. At we are here sa Pampanga for a content trip with Oppo Philippines kasi naka-out na ngayon sa market yung kanilang bagong phone, which is the Oppo Reno 12 5G series. This is the Oppo Reno 12 5G. As meron pa siyang version na Pro version na Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G. Pinahiram kami ni Oppo Philippines to do a content trip here sa Pampanga. We are here sa Fabrica Villas Restaurant. May kainan dito, buffet. At maganda yung kanilang mga scenery, no? Parang medyo decorative. Ito nakita yung mga statue na to, no? Sa gitna kami ng farm, tabi ng ilog, at maraming mga structures na pwedeng pang pictures, no? So we're going to use the Oppo Reno 12 5G, itong phone na hawak ko, to take some photos and videos and document and create some artistic Instagramish content using this Oppo Reno 12 5G. So ito yung body niya. Hindi ko lang alam kung yung mga ibang colors, but I did some research at nakita ko marami siyang AI features which I'm going to discuss later. Alright? So before I do a hands-on test, actually mag-photography na kami mamaya, let me discuss to you the tech specs of the Oppo Reno 12 5G. Alright, let's do this. So here's the tech specs of the Oppo Reno 12 5G series. So let's start with the display. Discuss natin yung display. Meron siyang 6.7 inches FHD Plus HDR10 Plus display at meron siyang 3D flexible AMOLED with two curved edges of equal heights. Meron siyang 93.5% screen to body ratio at ang kanyang resolution ay 2412 by 1080 at meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for its screen protection. Uy, ganda. Matibay ito. Meron siyang 120Hz refresh rate sa display, 240Hz touch sampling rate, yung kanyang maximum, 1.08 billions of colors, 349 ppi pixel density, meron siyang 1200 nits max brightness in sunshine, at meron siyang 600 nits maximum brightness for configurable. So yun yung kanyang specs for the screen at I'm very impressed with its Corning Gorilla feature sa kanyang screen. For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy na merong 8 cores at ang kanyang GPU is ARM Mali G615. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng Color OS 14.1. Well, I guess based on Android 14. For the memory, very interesting yung kanyang memory. There are two kinds of unit. Yung isang unit is 12GB of RAM with 256GB of storage. At yung second unit naman niya is meron siyang 12GB of RAM with 512GB of storage. This is a LPDDR4X, kanyang feature sa kanyang RAM. At meron siyang SD 3.0 phone storage card. It means that you can insert your micro SD to expand your memory storage. At ito ay merong USB OTG supported na rin din. For the rear camera, this is a triple camera, no? For the rear camera, isa is a 50 megapixel main camera with 1.8 aperture OIS supported. Yung second camera niya is 8 megapixel for the ultra wide angle camera, 2.2 aperture. At for the third camera niya is 2 megapixel for macro camera, 2.4 aperture. So, features niya is meron siyang Pro Video, Video Mode, Photo, Portrait, Night, Extra HD, Panoramic, Slow-Mo, Time-Lapse, Dual Video, Sticker, Dock Scanner, and Google Lens. At can record up to 4K video, 30 FPS. At meron din siyang Slow Motion Mode na 1080p, 480 FPS. For the front camera, gumagamit siya ng 32 megapixel with 2.0 aperture autofocusing. At ang features ng camera ng front camera is meron siyang video, photo, portrait, night, panoramic, time-lapse, dual video, sticker, at marami pang iba pa. For the front camera, it can shoot up to 4K video, 30 FPS. At meron siyang video stabilization na 1080p, 30 FPS. Ayan, stabilized daw siya. For the 4K pala ng front camera, wala siyang stabilization. No? Pero yung version ng Reno 12 Pro 5G version niya, yung front camera niya is 50 megapixel, 1.8 aperture. Kasi yung yung Reno 12 version lang niya, 32 megapixel. Pero pag yung 12 Pro version, nasa 50 megapixel. Yun yung kanyang difference. Almost same specs, but the front camera is different. For the battery specs, gumagamit siya ng 5,000 mAh of battery with 80 watts Super VOOC 2.0 fast charge. Yung kanyang battery features is 10 minutes of charge is good for 8 hours of call, 25 days standby mode, 10 minutes of charge, 6 hours video. Pag from 0 to 100% charge is 46 minutes yung kanyang charging. At ang kanyang guaranteed is 4 years durable ang kanyang battery. For the other specs of the Oppo Reno 12 5G, meron siyang dual nano SIM, 5G ready na rin din siya. It's equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type-C. Yung ear jack niya is USB Type-C rin. Meron siyang NFC, ready na rin din siya. May fingerprint at facial recognition. Yan ang kanyang specs. Para sa mga AI features ni Oppo Reno 12 5G, madami to, no? So, una, meron siyang AI Eraser 2.0 which can erase mga tao sa likod ng pictures, unwanted pictures, kaya niyang burahin to using the AI Eraser 2.0. Meron siyang AI Clear Face feature. Bibigay siya ng clear face sa mga group shot. So, yung mga parting group shot is blurred. So, lahat ng mga mukha is clear. Ang gusto ko dito, gusto ko matry, yung kanyang tatawag na AI Best Face. Kumbaga yung mga group pic na nakapikit yung mga mata, pwede nang i-fix yan with AI na nakadilat na siya. Galing, no? Meron siya yung tawag na AI Smart Image Matting 2.0. You can cut out and create photos. Yung mga single photo nyo, ika-cut out niya, pwede mong ilagay sa ibang photo din. Meron siyang AI Studio. Yung AI Studio naman niya is yung mga pictures nyo, gagawa niya ng cartoony or CGI or AI artwork style naman siya. So, yun yung pinag-uusapan nila, AR art. Very controversial, but it's fun to use it. Meron yung tawag na AI Link Boost, which is yung link niya sa network is pinapalakas daw niya. For example, sa elevator daw, ginagamit mo yung phone, bilang nawawala yung signal, it can reconnect right after you makakuha ka ng magandang signal. Meron yung tawag na beacon link, no? Sabi to, it can make voice calls even when there's no mobile signal. Ito pala yung sabi ko, I forgot kung ano yung AI link boost, no? Pero basahin nyo lang yung nakalagay sa text, no? So, it's a smart technology. Nag-boost siya ng Bluetooth so you can still reach out to those nearby network, no? So, iba pala yung AI link boost sa beacon link boost. Pero explore natin to, di ko gano'ng kabisado pa. Meron siyang AI recording summary, AI clear voice, AI Toolbox, AI Writer, AI Summary, at AI Speak. For the body color of the Oppo Reno 12 5G, meron siyang matte brown, sunset pink, at astro silver. Ang SRP nito is the Oppo Reno 12 5G. SRP niya is 24,999. At for the Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G, ang SRP nito is 34,999. So parang another additional siya, 1,000 pesos para makuha mo yung front camera na 50 megapixel. So, pag pre-order ka daw, until July 19, available in all Oppo authorized offline stores nationwide, you can get a free S29 Nightlight Bluetooth speaker. So, may kasama siyang Bluetooth speaker if you pre-order up to July 19. Alright, discuss na natin yung tech specs ni Oppo Reno 12 5G. I'll show you now the camera or the phone para makita nyo yung itsura niya. Very interesting itsura niya. Okay, let's do this. Alright, here's now the Oppo Reno 12 5G. Pagkatawalan namin kasi mukha siyang yero. But parang effect siya na para siyang shell, no? Para siyang mother of pearl yung kanyang itsura. I forgot kung ano bang color nito. So, ang tawag pala dito is Astro Silver, yung kanyang body color niya. So, it's very interesting. Yung ibang yung Pro version niya, medyo may pag-curve yung kanyang style. Ito rin medyo curved na rin din. Pero nakita ko yung style ng parang almost the same man din. Ang pinagkaiba lang is the front camera is 50 megapixel. So, this is the body. Sobrang ganda ng body niya. Actually, meron ka siyang kasamang jelly case. If I put a jelly case, nagmumukha siyang yero. No, nagmumukha siyang parang steel case na luggage bag, 'di ba? 'Yun ang nakikita ko, pero sa iba tawag nila yero. Pero it's very stylish naman din kahit paano. Pero tanggalin muna natin 'to para makita niyo yung itsura ng body. Talaga nagre-reflect siya dun sa light. So this is the cameras. Kita niyo dito, no? Cameras. So, tatlong camera 'yan. There's yung flash. And here's the front of the phone. There's the front camera. At taas, there's a microphone, speakers. May speakers sa taas. Sa left side is very clean. Sa ilalim is a SIM tray. May USB Type-C. At may speaker. So yung speaker niya is dalawa. Isa dito, tsaka sa dito. Nice Ang galing So sa right side, it's the power button tsaka yung volume niya. So pag pinower up natin to, simple lang siya. Okay, ayan. Nilagay ko na yung aking Google. So kanina nag-try ako ng AI, no? Nag-disconnect yata. Ay, naka-internet pa naman pala ako. So kanina, actually na-try ko yung nakapikit Di ko pa ma-figure out. Ito yung photo ko kanina. Nakita mo may tao dito, si Marco. Yan si Marco nakita. So gumamit ako ng object eraser. Natanggal na siya. It's very clean, no? Yung pag-object erase niya, it's very AI na AI. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung kung paano. Tapos nag-feature ako nito at gumamit ako ng AI Studio. Ito na yung itsura ko. Namili ako ng aking AI character. Nalagay photo generated by AI Studio. So since naka-connect naman ako sa internet, for example, nag-picture na ako, no? This is my photo. Ayan. One of the features na papakita ko sa inyo yung AI feature niya, no? Si Marco kita dito. So ang gagawin ko is I'll click edit at click ko ng AI eraser. So no network connection. Ano ba yan? Di ba pala ako nakakonect? Naka-off pala yung wifi ko. Wait lang. Okay, naka-connect na ako sa aking wifi. Balik tayo. I'll go now to the object AI eraser. So click ko lang itong remove people. So mag-AI scan siya and it will select an unwanted image. I-scan nila si Marco. Ayan, nangyari. Ayaw niya ma-recognize. So, isa pa. Ayan. Ulitin natin. O dahil nagawa ko na siya kanina, kaya ayaw na niya gumana. Mahina yung aking internet. Kasi yun nga, pagka gumagamit ka ng AI, you need to have internet. Pero anyway, napakita ko naman sa inyo kanina, ito yung before photo ko. Ito na yung after ko. Nawala na si Marco dito. So, ayun. So, let's check out the camera niya. For the camera, it's good. There's a 0.6x. That's good. 0.6x may 1x, 2x. Ayan. Up to 10x siya. So, pag 10x na iba na yung resolution niya. But I'm very impressed. Mukhang maganda yung pagka 10x niya. Medyo may AI thing. Medyo cartoonish na yung design. Pero let's stick to the take photos tayo hanggang 2x lang niya para ma-maintain niya yung quality niya. And then, for the video, meron 0.6x, 1x, 2x. Let me try if I'm going to record the video. Okay. So, pag nag-record ako ng video, there's no way to switch to the front camera. But you can take pictures. To switch to the front camera, you press stop. Ayan. Tapos, lagay mo lang dito. Ayan. So, nakita nyo, I'm vlogging this using the Oppo Reno 8T. This is 8T. Ito na yung 12 na. Grabe, ang laki ng jump natin, no, to having an Oppo phone. So, since wala siyang way to switch to the rear camera, I need to press stop. At, yan, ganyan lang gagawin ko. Ayan. So, there's Pro version for photography. You can tinker the settings. There's video, photo, portrait style. Portrait, medyo may pagka-bokeh-bokeh siya, pero pwede mong iayusin yung depth of field, yung DOF, yung pagka-bokeh, kung matapang ba or manipis. Ayan. For more, there's night mode, high-res, panoramic, macro, slow-mo, time-lapse, dual video, sticker at dock scanner. So ano ba yung parang nawawala dito, no? Slow-mo. Ito may slow-mo naman pala, dito naman pala. So I guess it's okay, no? There's dual video. Importante yung pinaka-dual video niya, which is one of the important. Pinaka-important sa akin syempre is with the tawag dito, wide angle lens. So, okay siya. I really like the watermark also. At I did several photos na. Ayan. Very ganda ng kulay din niya, oh. In terms of camera niya, ang ganda. Linaw. Parang okay din siya for travel photos and for food photography. Ayan. And mga things na ganyan. Ganda rin siya. At, hanap tayo nung wala pala dito sa isang phone ko. Di pa pala ako nakakapag-take photos pala. So I guess I'll be using this now to take some photos. And later on, you'll see some samples of my photography activity here sa aming content creation tip with Oppo Philippines. Okay, watch the next video to see some of the photos na nakuha ko. Alright, let's do this. Okay, nakita niyo na yung mga sample photos ko, no? Sana nagustuhan niyo. I'm still learning pa on how to use some of the AI features of the Oppo Reno 12 5G. At maraming salamat kay Oppo Philippines for this amazing content trip. Actually, it's an overnight trip. So, maybe some of the photos nakita nyo, no, kasama na namin si David Licauco, no, at yung mga photos namin from the hotel hanggang pa uwi. So, ayun, I'll end down my video here. So, sana mapahiraman tayo ng review unit since meron pa naman siyang mga ibang activities. Baka after the activity, makahiraman tayo ng Oppo Reno 12 5G for our content creation. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Oppo, and see you soon, guys.